Imagine a world without instant communication. It's hard, right? The internet, a global network connecting billions, wasn't built overnight. It has a fascinating history. Today, we'll journey through the key milestones of the internet's evolution, from Cold War experiments to the world-changing force it is today. Understanding its past helps us appreciate its present and anticipate its future. It all began in the 1960s with ARPANET, a U.S. Department of Defense project. Designed to share research and withstand attacks, ARPANET pioneered packet switching, breaking data into smaller pieces for efficient transmission. This decentralized design was crucial for resilience. The 1980s saw the birth of TCP/IP, the standardized communication protocols that truly unified networks. This allowed different systems to speak the same language, paving the way for the internet as we know it. Suddenly, connecting was possible. Surprisingly, the World Wide Web, invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989, wasn't the internet itself. It was a user-friendly interface on top of the internet, using hyperlinks to navigate information. And get this, Berners-Lee gave it away for free. We'll explore how that decision shaped everything to come. From ARPANET to the web, the internet's journey is one of collaboration and innovation. It's transformed communication, commerce, and culture, connecting us in unprecedented ways. So, the internet's history is a story of resilience, standardization, and open access. If you found this quick history insightful, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech explorations.